This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pudding powder at home. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For a delicious chocolate pudding, add 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure all your ingredients are fresh to ensure the best flavor and texture for your homemade mix. Next, it's time to combine your dry ingredients. Place a fine mesh sieve over a large mixing bowl. Add your sugar, cornstarch, salt, and cocoa powder if you're making chocolate. Sift everything together to remove any lumps and ensure a smooth mix. After sifting, whisk the mixture vigorously for at least 2 minutes to ensure all ingredients are perfectly blended. Once your pudding powder is thoroughly mixed, it's crucial to store it correctly. Transfer the entire mixture into an airtight container, such as a glass jar or a sealed plastic container. Label it clearly. Store this container in a cool, dry place like your pantry, away from direct sunlight. When stored properly, your homemade pudding mix will stay fresh for up to 3 months. Now, let's talk about how to prepare delicious pudding from your homemade mix. For 1 serving, whisk together about 1/4 cup of your pudding powder with 2 cups of milk in a saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens to your desired consistency. Remove from heat, pour into serving dishes, and chill for at least 2 hours before enjoying your delightful homemade pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.